Won't beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close.
Good love buds, welcome to the channel if you're new, or welcome back. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a holiday 3-in-1. It's gonna be hair, makeup, outfit, okay? So that's why I'm looking how I'm looking. I just I didn't just flat iron my hair. I just blow dry my hair. I might flat iron it, or I might do a pony or like some kind of style. I'm not sure, but you guys will see. You probably saw it in the thumbnail. I'm not gonna do like a little chit chat or whatever. I'm just gonna record the video. It's like a tutorial. So y'all could change this, make it like Hanukkah or like whatever colors y'all want, but I'm making this Christmas. If you like this video and want to see more, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what other videos you like to see, what other looks you guys would like to see. Just let me know what you want to see. And if you aren't subscribed, turn your notifications on. Now let's get straight into this video. Everything I use will be in the description, but I'm going to take my top brow cream from Kiss and also my concealer that's in the color Toffee. I'm just going to do my eyebrows. Fill them in, conceal, and blend.
Jingle bells rock, jingle bells ring, and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, a bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.
I'm going to take my BH Ultimate Matte Palette. I'm going to use this green. I'm going to go right above the crease of my eyebrows.
Jingle bells in the frost.
I'm now going to take this green color from my NYX. I'm not really sure the name of the palette, but I'm also going to take this brush as well, and I'm going to blend out that dark green with this light green.
Ho, ho, ho.
Back with the BH palette, I'm going to take this black, and then I'm going to go in the crease of my eye just to make some depth before I cut crease it. I'm now going to go in this NYX palette because this is the closest thing to red that I have that has glitter. And I'm going to apply that to the lid. But I'm going to leave a little space because I don't have gold eyeliner. So because I do not have gold liner, I'm going to take this gold from a cheap palette I got from Wish. And I'm just going to apply like a whole bunch into that little section that doesn't have any color.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time, jingle bell time. Dancing and dancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. Ho, ho, ho.
With the BH palette, I'm going to take this darker red and I'm just going to go ahead and put that right under my eye on the corners. So I use Maybelline Falsies to put on my eyelashes before I put my lashes on, like this. And now I'm just gonna do my hair.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells
Alright guys, so this is basically the final product. I'm sure this was a pretty lengthy video. I'm already in the process of editing it. I'm trying to make it short as possible because I know I don't like to watch long videos. So if it's not really necessary, I'm gonna make it short. So I hope it's not so long. If it is, I apologize. But if you enjoyed it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. If you aren't, please make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on. Okay? You wanna why? Because YouTube not gonna tell you when I post. So you gotta have your notifications on. But yes, that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you with the next video. I'm out.
Am Ray gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. #1, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the streets.